User groups in Fireflies let admins organize teammates, manage meeting access, and apply settings to specific groups. This feature can be accessed only by admins on the business and enterprise plans. In this video, we'll cover how to create a group, configure the settings, and discuss the key use cases. To create, go to your Fireflies dashboard and click on the team. At the top, you'll see the User Groups section. From here, click Create Group. Give your group a name, like Product Team. Add an optional description, choose a handle, like Product Team, and then add members by name or email. Click Create. You can edit the specifics or add members anytime. Here, you'll also see group settings. These lets you configure auto-join settings, email settings, privacy settings, and even AI app privacy settings. These work the same way as team settings, but here's the important part. Group settings override team defaults, so whatever you set here will apply to this group, even if the workspace has different defaults. Now let's look at where user groups are most useful. First, sharing meetings. From any meeting notebook, click Share Ag, and you can invite an entire user group in just one step. Second, AI apps. When you're creating or customizing an AI app, you can set visibility by user group so only the right teams see it. And third, the rules engine for enterprise admins. When creating a rule, you can apply it to a user group. For example, if the host belongs to the customer success group, all their meetings can be auto-routed to the right channel or shared with managers automatically. And coming soon, you'll also be able to use user groups with integrations. User groups save time and give admins more control over access, privacy, and workflows.